Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness Guide. Today's video is all about biceps workout at the gym for beginners. If you're new to working out or just starting to focus on building your biceps, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be showing you 5 exercises that are great for building biceps, and we'll also be explaining the number of sets and reps you should aim for with each exercise. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe to it for more fitness-related videos. Now let's start. Exercise 1. Barbell Bicep Curls. The first exercise we'll be covering is the Barbell Bicep Curl. This is a classic bicep exercise that's great for beginners. You should aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps with this exercise. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight as you curl the weight up. Avoid using momentum to swing the weight up, as this can put strain on your back and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. This is one of the best exercises for building a stronger and bigger biceps muscles. Exercise 2. Dumbbell Hammer Curls. The second exercise is the dumbbell hammer curl. This exercise works both your biceps and your forearms. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps with this exercise. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight as you curl the weight up. You can also try alternating arms, curling one arm up while the other arm is lowered, to increase the challenge. Exercise 3. Cable Bicep Curls. The third exercise is the cable bicep curl. This exercise is great for targeting your biceps and ensuring that you get a full range of motion. When performing this exercise, make sure to keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight as you curl the weight up. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps with this exercise. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight as you curl the weight up. Exercise 4. Chin-ups. The fourth exercise is chin-ups. This exercise is a great way to build your biceps and your overall upper body strength. Chin-ups can be challenging for beginners, but they're a great way to build bicep and upper body strength. When performing this exercise, make sure to engage your back muscles and keep your elbows close to your body as you pull yourself up towards the bar. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps with this exercise. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body as you pull yourself up. Exercise 5. Preacher Curls. The fifth and final exercise is preacher curls. This exercise is great for isolating your biceps and ensuring that you get a good contraction. Squeeze your biceps at the top of the movement before slowly lowering the weights back down to the starting position. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps with this exercise. Make sure to keep your elbows firmly planted on the preacher bench as you curl the weight up. So there you have it. 5 great exercises for biceps workout at the gym for beginners. Remember to aim for 3 to 4 sets of each exercise with the recommended number of reps. As always, make sure to consult with a trainer or doctor before starting any new workout routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness Guide for more fitness tips and workout videos.